and this is my new book. It sounds like this. My book is about Yasmin Treviño. She is a flute player in her high school marching band who has accidentally gotten the entire low brass section expelled, so now she plays tuba. The story is a loose Snow White retelling. My previous young adult novel, This Is How We Fly, was a loose Cinderella retelling. So in this case, the 7 freshman boys are standing in for the 7 dwarves, Yasmin being the slightly older and wiser character who goes to join them. You can pre-order the book right now. It's available at any of your preferred book retailers. Signed copies are also available through Brazos Bookstore. Come celebrate with me on Monday, August 8th at 6:30. I'm going to have an in-person launch event at Brazos Bookstore, masked, and we'll try to be distanced as much as possible. And if you cannot make it in person, we'll also be streaming the event on my website, annameriano.com/itsoundslikethis.